So video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the maximum blur filter. Now, first thing to do, just go over here and go to blur and maximum blur, and straight away you can see the effect just puts it down there as usual. So you can modify it, obviously just set that, and you can see it creates a nice sort of circular blur. You can see the circles there, blur. Actually, if you push it greater, you can actually see the circles there as it creates nice circles from the underlying pixels. Now, and obviously moves it more and more towards white. So if you actually push it all the way up, you can actually see the image just basically becomes one complete white. Just when you push it up even further, even more so. Now that happens with obviously most of the images. Now, I'm just going to push that back down again. I don't want to go that far. You can, of course, click apply. Once you've actually got that, you can go and use other. I'm just going to quickly go and use blur and minimum blur at this point, and go the other way. You can actually make that darker. And again, that's circular. I can just set the circular. Click apply. Personally, I prefer the circular. The square looks very, but depending on obviously what you want to create with the maximum blur. Now, once you've actually got that, you can go back, filter, blur, and maximum blur, and you can then just again you've got the circular option there. Again, you can use square. See the square just like that. You can also do interactively as well. You can just move that. Okay. Going to go for circular and apply. So you can create a whole range of different designs using, and you can combine it obviously with other filters as well. So I'm just going to push that back now. Don't want that. Now, what else you can do? I was going to say you can do layer and new look, but you can't. There's no maximum blur there. So one way around that, quickly go to a layer and duplicate, and now you've obviously got two. You've got that and that. What you can do, just go to filters and blur, maximum blur, and just push that up a bit. Again, circular. Now at this point you can actually go here and you go through, and I'm going to go for difference, and you can see the effect there. You can actually get a sort of like edge effect, very nice edge effect using that, but you can use obviously hard light and so on and so on. Screen and so on and so on. Okay, once you've actually done that, click apply. You can also use color channels. That's another way of using this filter. I'm just going to quickly go back to there and go over here to channels, which can be found in the view and studio and channels. Just going to select red. I'm not going to do the other ones, but you can obviously see the same approach. Filters, blur and maximum blur. Just apply that. And I'm going to make it quite large. Make certain you click apply. If you don't, you'll lose the effect. So apply, and then just go back, just click there, and you can see a lovely red glow that's around the image without modifying anything else like the green and the blue. So that's a run through of some of the things, but like I say, combine it with many other effects. Also, you can use type, and I'm just going to quickly add some type, and I'm just going to, this is type tool, there it is. Just add some type, test type, and then just like that. It depends obviously the colour and all that sort of thing. So I'm just going to use obviously black here, and then I just go to filters and blur and maximum blur, and you can create very nice sort of chunky type, very quick and easy using that. Click apply, or bold I should say, more than anything. Anyway, I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.